how to make audio sound muffle in Premiere Pro. So it's really easy thing. First of all, you have to import your audio here. So this is my audio and it's interlinked with my video here. Right, now go to the effects panel. So if you just go to the effects panel here, search for equalizer. So here I can search for equalizer here, right? And you will get here. Now here you will get a lot of, so here you have to search for parametric equalizer or FFT filter, but paramedic, so I've got it. So I'll just click and hold and drag it to my audio. So once I drag it here, right, I will get in the my effect control. Now adjust equalizer settings. So if I just go to bottom here, this is paramedic equalizer. Now here you have to select your audio clip here and navigate to the effects control panel, which we are right now. Click on edit. Right now here it's already in the edit section. For example, this one, which is the custom setup, right? And to the equalizer effect which you will apply, which will happen from here. So for the parametric equalizer, change the preset to generic low pass, right? So you can just do it from here, or you can just decrease it from here, and you have to test it, and ultimately you will get it. Right now drag the frequency point downwards to cut off higher frequency, which simulate a muffled sound. The lower you set the point, the more muffled the audio will become. So you have to test it, right? So once you select here, just close it and hear the audio, right? And then you have to go to the edit section and then you have to decrease it, right? Usually I'm sure that you will do it in a very very short clip. You will not use it for the 100%. So you can just cut down the clips here and then you can just go to edit and apply it, right? So you need to experiment. You can play around with different frequency settings to find the right level of muffling that suits your project. Lowering frequency below 5000 hertz, sorry, 500 hertz will make the audio sound very muffled, right? So it's completely up to you where you want to go, right? And play back your audio to hear how it sounds with the apply effect. Adjust as necessary until they achieve your desired muffled effect. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.